Okay, hello everyone. We are from PBL Web-based Multiplayer Game Control V1. Good morning, greetings to all of us. We are from the PBL Web-based Multiplayer Game Control V1. Permission to start a presentation related to a game project that we have been working on. Description. Our project title is Web-based Multiplayer Game Controller V1. Our team member there is Samudra Abriawan, Jaya Pratama, M. Azizul Hakim, Shirley Octaviani, Anissa Alivia, Raja Felisa, JB Cindy. Our project manager is Mr. Muhammad Fajri Amirul Nasrullah, SST MSC. Our project description is create website-based game that can be played in multiplayer and using controller. The output of our project is multiplayer game, web-based, and controller.
The background of study. Batam State Polytechnic runs a game project with the hope of developing and producing students with competent skills in making a game. The project, which is directed by the Batam State Polytechnic, uses the concept of a project manager as a student guide in working on a given project. It is hoped that this game project can be used by students as well as possible by thinking about what the purpose of this game is made for. In our group, we were given direction to create a website-based multiplayer game that can be played using a controller. In this project, we design a game and controller to be able to interact with each other.
Research problem. Batam State Polytechnic has multimedia and networking engineering study program in which study gains access to learn more the field of multimedia and networking. Especially in the multimedia field, making game is included in the one of the target that students must be able to create and learn. Based of this, Batam State Polytechnic give a birth to a learning innovation called project-based learning or PBL by systematically forming students into group or working group to complete the project. PBL Web-based Multiplayer Game Control V1 is a project to be complete within 40 weeks. This web-based game create a project is expected to produce Batam State Polytechnic students who are expert in the field of game development. Therefore, this project is adapting into PBL.
Next, purpose of the study. The purpose of this PBL web-based multiplayer game controller V1 is to produce a web-based multiplayer game that can be played using a controller. Another goals outside the game creation site is that students can work together with team members to solve problems found in the process of releasing game product.
Next, benefit of study. The games produced by PBL web-based multiplayer game controller V1 can be played by categories of all age. In accordance with the game concept that has been created, Coin Hunter, which is played by hunting for coins and passing through several obstacles, can train players' accuracy and agility. By playing Coin Hunter, the competitive spirit of players becomes increasingly high because players must develop strategies to win the game.
Literature review, theoretical base. So the literature review, game development, Unity is an application that helps the process of making and developing games that are supported by a complete range of features. Visual Studio Code is an application developed to help users create code programs for websites, games, and so on. And Adobe Illustrator is a leading vector graphic editor program developed and marketed by Adobe Systems. Canva is a graphic design platform used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual content. The app also provides a variety of design examples to use.
Controller Arduino is an participation of integrated development environment or simply an integrated environment used for development. Jumper cables are electrical cables that have a connector pin on each end and allow you to connect to components involving an Arduino without needed to be soldering. Dual axis joystick is biaxial potentiometer to control the X and Y axis. When pushed down, it activated a switch. Arduino breadboard is a kind of breadboard that is usually used to make up prototypes of electronic circuits. Some people sometimes call it a project board or even a proto board. Video demo and trailer. Adobe Premiere Pro is a non-linear based video editing program from Adobe System. It is a software product from Adobe Creative Suite, but it can also be pushed personally. VN Video Editor is an Android video editing application that is suitable for use by both beginners and professionals.
Next, research methodology. In pre-production is a game concept, game storyline, how to play, device needed to play the game, and control design. Next, in the production, game build execution, and controller creation execution. And the last, post-production, review the product that have been produced and debugging.
The product description. This PBL project is titled Web-Based Multiplayer Game Controller version 1 with the theme is for us. This project is directed by the project manager, Mr. Muhammad Fajri Amirul Nasrullah, SST, MSc. This game, the name of this game is Coin Hunter. It's a web-based 3D game played by 2 players. There are 2 levels of the game, which will be accumulated at each level and displayed on the leaderboard. This game can be played with a keyboard or a controller designed specifically for this game.
Implementation. System application model. This game can be played together with a total of 2 players. Player can be played this game using a controller or using a keyboard. On the controller, there are a joystick with 4 directions, namely left, right, forward, and back, and 1 button as a jump. While on the keyboard, you can use a WASD and shift or round key and spacebar instead of the controller.
Implementation, hardware implementation. Arduino application to program hardware controllers. Other materials such as Arduino 101 and joystick modules. Game controllers use Arduino device to house control modules such as joystick modules. Basic IoT on this control is implemented by program to Cisco-based joystick connect to Arduino with standard program. Next. Implementation, this is our design implementation on main menu display, also instruction menu display. And this is a multiplayer menu display, and the right side is game display. And this is our design implementation on leaderboard menu display.
Member contribution. For the member contribution, we have Raja Felisa to create menu display design, demo trailer video concept and editing, create a final project, evaluation presentation slide. For Gaby Cindy, make 3D arena design level 1 and 2, coding gameplay and character movement with Unity and Visual Studio Code, assist in the work of the final report and the contents of the final project evaluation presentation slide. And for Charlie Octaviani, makes designing the controller and the program Arduino and create controller.
For Muhammad Azizul Hakim, designing the controller and the program or Arduino, creating a controller. For Anissa Alivia, display design after click single player or multiplayer, create a final project report, create IPR documents, create manual books. For Jaya Pratama, leaderboard design after players pass level 1 and level 2. Samudra Abriliawan, coding game program, Unity and Visual Studio Code, provide job desk to all members, controlling and backup job desk team members.
Conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion and suggestion. After working for the specified time, the team finally realized this game, although there were some changes. It can be concluded that a web-based multiplayer game has been produced that can be played using a controller. The progress achieved is around 80% due to several obstacles in the work. For better result in the development and application of the resulting game, suggestions such as game finishing should be maximized so that the game can be produced as well as possible. Thank you from us. Good morning.